9 strange signs. Your body needs vitamin B12, and 5 most effective natural ways to restore it. Vitamin B12 is the essential spark plug that powers your entire nervous system and creates healthy red blood cells. Many people suffer from a hidden deficiency for years, while doctors mistakenly treat them for completely different chronic conditions. Your brain and nerves might be slowly starving for this vital nutrient while you struggle with mysterious daily fatigue. Today, we are uncovering 9 strange signs that prove your body is desperately screaming for a vitamin B12 boost. Before we begin the list, please tell us in the comments which city you are watching from right now. Also, share your current age so we can provide more tailored health insights for your specific stage of life. Your engagement helps this life-saving information reach more people who are currently suffering from avoidable and dangerous deficiencies. Let's explore the first bizarre signal that your brain is starting to malfunction due to dangerously low B12. Sign number 1. A smooth, red, beefy tongue. A strange change in the texture and color of your tongue is a classic hallmark of low vitamin B12. You might notice that the tiny bumps on your tongue, called papillae, start to disappear and look very smooth. This condition, known as glossitis, makes your tongue appear unnaturally red, swollen, and often very painful to touch. Eating spicy or acidic foods might suddenly become unbearable because your tongue's protective surface has been severely compromised. Many patients describe a burning or itching sensation that feels like they have scalded their mouth with hot coffee. This happens because B12 is required for DNA synthesis and the rapid regeneration of your delicate oral tissue cells. If your tongue looks like a piece of raw beef, your body is sending a loud visual distress signal. Ignoring this sign can lead to difficulty speaking and a significant loss of your ability to taste your food. Correcting the deficiency can often restore the healthy texture of your tongue within just a few weeks of treatment. Sign number 2. Strange electrical zaps in limbs. Feeling sudden electrical shocks or zaps traveling down your arms or legs is a sign of nerve damage. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, which acts as the protective insulation for all your nerves. When this insulation wears thin, your nerves begin to short-circuit and send random electrical signals to your conscious brain. You might feel a sharp, stabbing sensation that lasts for a split second before disappearing back into your limbs. These shocks often occur when you move your neck or change your physical position during a normal daily activity. Many people mistake this for a pinched nerve or a back problem when the real issue is nutritional starvation. Chronic low B12 leads to peripheral neuropathy, which can eventually cause permanent and irreversible damage to your sensory nerves. Don't wait for the numbness to become permanent before you decide to test your serum vitamin B12 levels today. Restoring the myelin sheath is only possible when your body has an abundant supply of this critical nerve vitamin. Sign number 3. Unexplained yellowish skin. Jaundice. If your skin and the whites of your eyes take on a pale yellow tint, you may be deficient. When B12 is missing, your body produces large, fragile red blood cells that break down much faster than normal. This rapid destruction of blood cells releases a yellow substance called bilirubin into your bloodstream and your skin tissues. Many people think they have a liver problem when they are actually suffering from a specific type of anemia. Your complexion may look washed out or sallow, making you appear much older and more tired than you are. This yellowish hue is a clear indicator that your bone marrow is struggling to create healthy and functional blood. High levels of bilirubin can also cause your skin to feel itchy and your urine to look much darker. A simple blood test can distinguish between a liver issue and a breakdown caused by a severe B12 deficiency. Healthy red blood cells require B12 to mature properly so they can carry life-giving oxygen to your entire body. Sign number 4. Brain fog and memory lapses. Forgetting where you put your keys or struggling to find the right words can be a sign of B12. Low levels of this vitamin are directly linked to brain shrinkage and the early onset of cognitive decline symptoms. You might feel like you are living in a thick fog where your thoughts are slow and very disorganized. Many seniors are wrongly diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease when they are simply suffering from a reversible B12 nutrient lack. The brain requires B12 to produce neurotransmitters that regulate your memory, focus, and your overall mental clarity today. If you find yourself staring at a computer screen unable to concentrate, your brain might be starving for fuel. This mental decline can be very frightening, but it is often one of the first things to improve significantly. Supplementing with the right form of B12 can sharpen your mind and restore your ability to think clearly again. Protect your cognitive future by ensuring your brain has the essential vitamins it needs to stay young and sharp. Sign number 5. Sudden vision changes. Blurred or double vision can occur when a B12 deficiency damages the optic nerve that leads to your brain. This condition, called optic neuropathy, interferes with the nervous signals traveling from your eyes to your visual cortex center. You might notice a blind spot in the center of your vision that makes reading or driving difficult. While it is rare, total vision loss can occur if the deficiency remains untreated for a very long time. The damage is caused by the breakdown of the myelin sheath surrounding the sensitive nerves of your visual system. Many people visit an eye doctor for new glasses when they actually need a high-dose B12 injection instead today. If your vision feels dim or colors seem less vibrant, your eyes are sending you a critical health message. Early treatment can often reverse the damage and restore your sight to its previous clear and healthy state again. Never ignore changes in your eyesight, as they are often the first window into your body's internal nutritional status. Sign number 6. Pins and needles in hands and feet. A persistent tingling sensation in your extremities is one of the most common early warnings of a B12. This feeling, known as paresthesia, feels like your hands or feet have fallen asleep and won't wake up. It usually occurs on both sides of the body and can be quite distracting during your normal daily routine. High levels of homocysteine in the blood, caused by low B12, can directly irritate and damage your delicate nerves. If you ignore the tingling, it can eventually turn into a complete loss of feeling in your fingers. This makes it difficult to perform fine motor tasks like buttoning a shirt or typing on a mobile phone. The pins and needles sensation is a sign that your nerves are fighting to stay alive without enough. Correcting the deficiency early is vital because nerve damage can become permanent if it is allowed to progress. Keep a journal of when these sensations occur to help your doctor make a fast and accurate medical. Sign number 7. Extreme fatigue and weakness. Feeling completely exhausted after a full night of sleep is a major indicator of megaloblastic anemia from low B12. Without enough B12, your blood cannot carry enough oxygen to your muscles, leaving you feeling heavy and weary. You might feel out of breath after climbing just a few stairs or walking a short distance to your. This type of fatigue is not just being tired, but a profound sense of total physical and mental. Your heart may also beat faster to try and compensate for the lack of oxygen in your circulating. Many people reach for more coffee, which only masks the problem while their body continues to suffer internally today. Chronic weakness can make it impossible to maintain an active lifestyle or keep up with your daily work. Restoring your B12 levels can feel like turning the lights back on in your body within a few. True energy is born in your cells, and B12 is the essential key that unlocks your total physical. Sign number 8. Mood swings and irritability. A sudden shift in your personality or feelings of deep sadness could be linked to your B12 levels. B12 is crucial for the synthesis of brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate your daily mood. Low levels are strongly associated with increased risks of depression, anxiety, and even bouts of irrational anger, or you might find yourself crying easily or feeling completely overwhelmed by small stresses that you used to handle. In severe cases, B12 deficiency can even cause hallucinations, paranoia, and a total break from reality or psychosis. Many psychiatric symptoms are actually rooted in the gut and the lack of essential B vitamins in the blood. If you feel not like yourself lately, consider testing your vitamin levels before starting any heavy mood medications. Balancing your internal chemistry with B12 can provide a stable foundation for your mental and your emotional well-being. Your mind and body are one system, and B12 is the bridge that keeps them both working in. Sign number 9, balance and coordination issues. If you find yourself stumbling or feeling dizzy while walking, your nervous system may be failing from low. Damage to the spinal cord and peripheral nerves can affect your proprioception, which is your sense of body. You might feel like you are walking on sponges or struggle to maintain your balance in a dark. This loss of coordination increases the risk of falls and serious injuries, especially in older adults over 60. Doctors often look for ataxia, which is the medical term for a lack of muscle control during voluntary. The long-term lack of B12 can lead to subacute combined degeneration of the spinal cord, a very serious. If you feel unsteady on your feet, it is a sign that your neurological system is under great. Using a cane or walker may be necessary until the B12 deficiency is corrected and the nerves begin. Protect your mobility by addressing these balance issues at the very first sign of a strange physical wobble. 5. Most effective natural ways to fully restore vitamin B12 levels. 1. Consume organic ruminant liver regularly. Eat a small serving of grass-fed beef or lamb liver once a week to obtain a massive dose. Animal organs are the most concentrated natural sources of B12, providing a highly bioavailable form that your body. 2. Optimize your stomach acid levels. Take apple cider vinegar before meals to ensure your stomach has enough acid to release B12 from food. As we age, our intrinsic factor and stomach acid decrease, making it much harder to absorb this vital. 3. Incorporate fortified nutritional yeast flakes. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of fortified nutritional yeast over your salads or popcorn to get a vegan-friendly B12 boost. This savory, cheesy-tasting powder is an excellent way for plant-based eaters to protect their nervous system from deficiency. 4. Eat fresh clams and mussels. Enjoy a serving of steamed shellfish twice a week to flood your system with over 10 times the. These sea creatures are incredible bioaccumulators of B12, offering a potent and natural way to restore your energy. 5. Check your medication interactions monthly. Speak with your pharmacist about whether common drugs like metformin or acid blockers are stealing your body's B12. Certain long-term medications can block absorption in the gut, requiring you to adjust your intake or use injections. Conclusion: recognizing the strange signals of a B12 deficiency is the first step toward reclaiming your health and vitality. This silent nutrient is the guardian of your brain, your blood, and your entire delicate nervous system today. We have explored the 9 bizarre signs of lack and the 5 natural ways to restore your levels. By taking proactive steps now, you can prevent permanent nerve damage and live a life full of energy. Please subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of essential vitamins and human health. Share this video with someone who is always tired or struggling with brain fog and strange nerve tingles. Stay energized, keep your B12 levels high, and we will see you in the next life-saving health update.